What's up, guys? Though a huge blizzard is happening right now. If you don't live like near around here, like near around Brooklyn or somewhere, it's going pretty bad. A blizzard just came in. I think it's called Blizzard Stella or Storm Stella. Basically the same thing, but it's going really bad. Or for me, it's actually really good because I love snow. It's gonna go from either 18 to 20, 18 to 20 inches, I think. No, 12 to 18 inches, which is over a foot. Or from 20 to 24, or above 24. I'll show you a picture of, not a picture, like I'll actually show you what it looks like. I'll show you with my literally horrible backyard. And it's still snowing. Just look. You might not be able to see that well. That's not my backyard. Okay, just look down there. That's almost like 2 feet of snow right there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to school, but I'll just deal with it. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next video.